Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to use transform tools. So for example, I will create simple object with this brush tool. Now if you want to move or scale this object, we can use the transform tools. You can click this icon, transform, and there are three options: translate scale, perspective forms, and then mesh form. So with this translate scale, you can move the object, or you can scale the objects. Another option, we can use the perspective form to create a perspective like in this point, or you can move into here. And another option, we can use the mesh form. You can scale the object by using the mesh vertex. If you're done, you can click these check buttons to close from these transform tools. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to use transform tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.